Education. Education is a powerful tool which help us to control the world. So, a very frantic evening to respected sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today's our debate topic is higher education a guarantee to better job? Yes, and I am on the favor of the motion. Friends, higher education is not just a degree. It is a key to turn out new opportunities. It builds confidence.
But what if you don't have skills or ground level knowledge or practical knowledge? If you just have a piece of degree, so how will it help you in future?
You are talking about skill. Skill. You are talking means skill. How you can show the skill when you have the platform. But without the graduation, you can't get the platform. So that's why we need the graduation, because in graduation, what happens? We can interact with different peoples, diverse peoples. We can meet with them, and we get our communication skills more good. So if we have the platform, then we can show our skills. Without,
So, but there are many jobs that do not ask for graduation. Like you can join army, it does not ask for your graduation, and even you can do your content creation, for example, your YouTube, social media, and many other platforms. So these does not ask your degree. You can first you can be a personality on this type of platform, and then you can also provide jobs to many other people for their well-being.
but you are right that many of the people, those who have skill, they provide the job, right? But my question is that is it right on the basis of few skilled person we are deciding the futures of millions? Because everyone have not the same skill, right? Everyone has not the same skill. They need graduation, they need more opportunities, so they go for graduation, they go for their higher studies, and when they qualified, they do their bachelor's degree, then they get the opportunities and the resources open for them and new opportunities they grab.
So 15 to 20 lakhs of people who graduate every year. So and estimate that 5 to 6 lakh people get their job. But what about the other 10 to 15 lakh people who are suffering from unemployment then?
Like you are right that many of the people are getting unemployed. But unemployment exists everywhere. But main point is what? They are getting chance. Getting chance is important, right? If they have a skill, that's good. But those have no skill, what they do? They need degree to participate in some competitive exams or some corporate jobs. So we can see the eligibility criteria. There is graduation. They need graduation. Without graduation, they can't enter there. So if you will not enter in the game, how you will play the game and how you will show that you have the skill?